In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy the link of a video from Google Drive. This simple task can save you time and make sharing videos much easier. Whether you're collaborating on a work project, sharing personal videos with friends and family, or distributing educational content. Let's dive into the process and cover everything you need to know. First, you'll want to navigate to your Google Drive. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and entering drive.google.com in the address bar. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to do so using your Google account credentials. Once you're in your Drive, locate the video you want to share. If you're dealing with numerous files, you might find using the search bar at the top helpful. Just type in the name of your file to quickly find it. Once you've located your video, right-click on the file. This will open a context menu with several options. Look for the option that says Get Link. Clicking this will bring up a dialog box that shows you the sharing settings and generates a link for the file. Now, you may notice the link initially has some restrictions which could prevent certain users from accessing it. To adjust these settings, beneath the link, you should see a line that indicates who can view the video. If it's set to restricted, only specific people that you invite can access it. To make the link more widely accessible, click on this line. In the drop-down menu that appears, select Anyone with the link. This change means that anyone who has the link can view the video without requiring any additional permissions. Finally, once you've configured the sharing settings to your preference, click Copy Link to save the link to your clipboard. With the link copied, you're all set to share it. You can paste it into emails, text messages, social media posts, or wherever you need to share your video. That's it. You've successfully copied the video link from Google Drive and set the permissions you need. Remember, you can always revisit these settings if you want to change who can access the file. Whether it's for personal projects or business interactions, mastering this simple action can streamline your workflow and improve communication. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, feel free to give it a like and subscribe for more tips and guides on using Google Drive and other essential tools. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. Happy sharing, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.